What's up, motoristas? Last episode, we had another challenging ride, not the off-road type, but on the long and slippery roads going to Tingalan and Baler. We even had a slight mishap with our fellow lady rider who slid at a curve somewhere in Cabaldon area. The bike had some damage, but nothing irreparable. What's important is she's safe and had no serious injuries. She even rode all the way to Baler. We also feasted at this eat-all-you-can buffet for only 200 pesos. And surprisingly, the food is good and you have so much choices. This episode will explore the popular yet still unspoiled beach paradise in Dipaculao. After which, we'll head back to Baler and look for the place we booked, have dinner somewhere with Baler signature, and finally, take some rest. If it's your first time here, my name is JT and I have accepted a personal challenge of touring the 81 provinces of the Philippines on 2 wheels within 3 years. I track my progress by putting markers on my printed map. Make sure to check out my adventures on the video section of the channel. Let's continue our hataw pacing. I honestly was in a hurry to catch the beach with still plenty of sunlight so I can take some drone shots. And of course, to enjoy the beauty of it more. Kung talagang maganda nga. I've heard great things about it from other riders who have been there. May mga kaunting lilikuan ka para makalabas ng Baler. Pero pagkatapos nun, dire-diretso na. If I'm not mistaken, this is the Agwang Bridge and it's pretty long. Ginanahan kami sa mga kalsada dito. Habang nakikita ko sa GPS app ko na papalapit na ako sa dagat, palaki ng palaki ang ngiti ko. And then we finally reached the shore. What a beautiful sight! I wanted to stop and take photos and some videos, but again, we were in a hurry. I actually expected to see more of the ocean because it's a coastal road when you look at it at the map. I forgot to consider trees that could block the view. You'll still go through steep inclines and mountainous areas before you reach the beach. I stopped several times to ask and make sure I'm on the right track. It's better to spend a minute or two to ask than losing up to an hour when you get it wrong. Lahat ng pinagtanungan ko, malapit na daw. Yung pala, 40 kilometers pa. Napabengking-bengking din ako sa twisties. And just when we thought the road will never end, we finally reached this beach resorts area. Nagtanong ako kung saan pwede magpark lang for free and check out the beach. 80 pesos daw per head sa resort na yon at meron ding cottages. Sa iba daw kasi ay may kamahalan. Apparently, the strip was full of resorts now and you need to pay to have access to the beach. The time where you just park beside the road and head straight to the beach is now over. Or maybe we haven't explored the whole strip yet. And there we get a peek of the white sand. The best part? It was almost empty. We looked for a reasonable entrance fee for visitors who will only stay for less than 2 hours. This one charged 100 per head, so we checked the other ones. And this one, with the not so ideal parking area, charges 50 pesos. So we took it. Hello! As you can see, nandito na kami, nakapark. And naghanap pa kami ng resort na medyo affordable dahil hindi naman kami magtatagal dito. Hindi nga kami maliligo. So picture-picture lang, mamasyal kami. And we found this place. Vic Ann Place. So along the road lang din naman siya. So dito sa banda dito. May mga katabi rin siya mga resorts. So medyo madali lang rin siya mahanap. Ang parking area nga lang niya, sa tingin ko kaya siya hindi masyadong pinupuntahan kasi medyo hindi maganda, hindi masyadong patag, maraming bato. Pero syempre pag motor wala namang problema, as long as kailangan mo lang kasi baka matumba. Anyway, punta na tayo dito sa beach. Sobrang na-surprise ako doon sa beach. Medyo natagal lang kami sa paghahanap. As you've seen sa video, ang haba ng mga twisties, ang haba ng mga kalsada. Although maganda naman yung view, ang worry lang kasi namin kaya medyo nagmamadali kami is syempre yung liwanag. Gusto nating maabutan tong beach area na maliwanag para makita yung kung gaano kaganda. Tingnan natin yung beach. So meron tayong cottage na dito yung mga gamit namin. And this is the beach. The sand itself is really light colored. Ang ganda, oh, almost white na siya. Tapos it's very fine. Yung mga kasama natin, oh.
What's up?
Sino buhay Miles? Wala pa siyang name. Magkakaroon very soon. Magkamali lang ng konti. Hindi, joke lang.
Si YDX, buti na lang.
Nandiyan na, oo. So, nag-worry kami ng konti kanina, di ba? Kasi siya yung pinakauli, wala pa siya. Kompleto na kami, siya na lang kulang. But anyway, nandito na siya. That's what's important. Wow. Siyempre, yung mga tweetums dyan, yung mga back rides, yung mga misis, ayun, oh, picture na sila dyan. Ganda, oh. Just look at this. Tingnan natin yung sand. Yung sand itself, oh. Well, hindi pa siya pala siya ganun ka. Mas pino siyang tingnan pag maayo. Oh, it's not that, ayan, oh, pino na siya, eh. Comparing to other beaches, pino na siya and it's white. Nagpalipad din ng drone si Hawkeye at nung tumutok sa akin, napa-jump shot ako. Nasobrahan nga lang dahil nawarak yung riding pants ko. Buti at may extra layer sa loob, hindi pa naman kita yung kaloob-looban. Yan, ganyan siya kaganda. And for you to appreciate more kung gaano kaganda tong beach na to, here's the shots. Kamusta tayo? Enjoy ba tayo? Yeah! Mainggit kayo! Yeah! Ganda ng beach, oh! Kita nyo yan, oh! Kita nyo yan! Galing kami sa Baler kanina. Talagang waves lang yung magiging habol mo doon kung gusto mo mag-surf. Pero in terms of beach and the sand, wala, panalong-panalo to. Ating original, see, Winnie the Pooh! Itong kahabaan na to, simula doon, I believe mula pa doon hanggang dito. Dire-diretso na. Hanggang doon, lahat yan beach area. This is Dinadiawan or Dinadiawan. Maraming nag-request sa akin na tumiretso dito. Ano masasabi mo sa beach natin?
Panalo,
Diba?
Next time sumama kayo sa motor.
Yes.
Enjoy kayo sa tour.
Yeah! O, narinig yan, di ba? So, ang ganda ng beach. Surprising yung, hindi ko alam na meron pala dito. Marami nagre-request sa akin na, Sir JT, puntahan nyo naman tong Dinadiawan or Dinadiawan. Maganda doon, promise, sulit siya. So, sabi ko, ano kayang meron doon? And turns out, ang ganda nga niya. Tingnan mo. Tapos, kaunti lang yung mga tao sa Saturday. So, considering it's a weekend, marami na yan. Or siguro sa ibang resort. Pero dito sa pinuntahan namin, kaunti lang. Ang malungkot lang is, we don't have much time na pag-ikot-ikot dito or even mag-swim. Sayang. Kasi gagabihin na kami and we have to check in. What's important for me is naipakita ko sa inyo kung gaano kaganda dito sa Dinadiawan. Next time sama kayo. We've been through a lot for the past 2 days and being here, hearing the splashing waves while sitting on the sand was a stress buster. Sumisigaw?
Parang gising talaga.
Had we known that there were lots of places there to spend the night, we could have booked there. Anyway, we were so glad we checked out this place. Siguradong babalikan ko siya. We had a more relaxed ride going back dahil wala na masyadong hinahabol. Mr. Rider Manila and Lady Raider Rider stayed at Baler to have the bike repaired. We are going to meet them in this popular place, Yellowfin Resto Bar. Before that, we'll check in first at Brown Epitome Lodge dahil yung iba ay wala pang booking at makikipagsapalaran. Sumama muna sila sa amin ni Winnie the Pooh at baka makakuha ng available rooms. And this was the last time I checked the map with my phone holder still intact. Because after a few seconds, I just noticed that it was already hanging. No! 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 The metal itself was detached, so I have to find a way tomorrow to fix it so we can have navigation going back to Laguna. And we arrived at the secluded area where the lodge was located. Winnie the Pooh's room and mine were already set because we booked and paid in advance. Our fellow riders, however, saw what and Jilax were not. They also paid in advance pero wala daw available na rooms na naka-reserve para sa kanila. The lodge owners were blaming the booking site. This was really frustrating lalo na at pagod ka na and you want to freshen up. But admirably, the riders just moved on without unnecessary complaints and instead looked for another place to stay. Tumulong naman ang owner sa paghahanap. Kung ako siguro yun, sumakit na ang mga natitirang banks ko. We freshened up quickly and made it to Yellowfin Resto Bar. Hola! So dito na kami sa Yellowfin Bar and Grill. So it's a Saturday, so malamang jam-pack dito. Pero we're trying our luck. Hinintay pa namin yung mga kasama namin pero dito na kami ni Winnie the Pooh. Dito kami nag-park. So if you can see, meron siya sa baba and meron din siya sa taas. Punta na kami sa taas and we'll just wait for the others sa taas. Let's go! I've read mixed reviews about it so my expectations weren't so high. May space pa ba sa taas? Thank you for answering my question. Because we're already starving and we can't secure a table, we decided to try a different resto. And we found this interesting place and decided to have dinner there. Nice, so this is where they grill. So we're here at Baler Surfer Grill. And ito yung pakulo nila. Oh. Dito sila sa Volkswagen Coaching Cuba para sa atin. Dito sila nag-grill. Tingnan natin. There you go. Ha? Nice, di ba? Yan, fish, puro fish. Isa sa mga ano yan. Isa dyan yung order ko. So, maganda rin dito kasi it's just right beside the beach. Ito na yung dagat. Ayan, so you can hear the waves crashing. So, yun yung isa sa mga maganda dito sa place na to. Actually, marami pala siyang magkakatabi, oh. Itong kahaba na to. Yan, shore na yan. Hanggang doon sa dulo. Ayan, marami kang choices. Do you hear the waves? So, ang menu nila ngayon, apparently, 3 lang yung available na pagpipilian. Ito, pakita ko. Pero tatlo lang yung available. This one, and this one. Yan yung 3 choices. And I chose this one. Bakit walang available na ibang burgers and chicken? Naubos lang. So yung natira sa amin yung hindi masyadong mabenta. Okay. So dito yung start. So sa inyo rin yung bar. Yung bar dun sa dulo, sa inyo rin. So they also have a bar. Ito, dito sa place na to. Dito sa part na to, yan, mga bar naman, yung mga drinks. Let's just wait for the food and tingnan natin kung masarap. So they ordered, anong number? Sa inyo pareho.
Pagkano yan? 400. Wow. 400. Dapat dun tayo sa...
Dapat yung pagbuhan niyo po sa kanin, paunti-unti.
Ay, sarado na yun. Eat all you can, no?
This is fish and yeah, this is mine. Oh, puro fish nga yung order namin. Woo! Thank you, Lord, for the food. Meron namang vegetables kahit pa paano.
Para pag-iising handa kayo.
Yeah. The food was okay, but I like the place. Wala nga lang sila masyadong available na food and drinks sa menu nila. Alright guys, thank you again so much for joining us. And how was the ride so far? I mean, for the past 2 days.
Ride. Weather didn't cooperate all the time.
Yeah.
The ride was nice. It's a good crew to ride with.
Wow, nice.
It's a good group.
Thank you for that. How about you?
Thank you for having me for this ride.
Yeah. By the way, this is Lady Raider Rider.
Hi.
Check out her vlog.
Thank you.
Alright, so thank you again, bro.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Alright, bye.
Follow.
We then went back to our place to have a much-deserved rest. Abangan next episode. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Sayonara!